This is a used 2005 Kia Sportage, powered by front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. The features include aluminum rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, roof rails, cruise control, split rear seats, privacy glass, air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power mirrors. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Keystone Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 301 Walker Road, Chambersburg, Pennsylvania 17201.